Hello everyone. Today, we explored in the session for week 2, we explored the critical transition from requirements analysis to a functional database. We learned that a data model provides a structure, formal description of data and its relationships. The process typically involves three steps: analyzing requirements, creating an entity relationship model, and finally mapping that model into a specific scheme, such as a relational graph or a document model. And in the ER model, we deal with the entities, specific real-world objects like employee, Murphy, and entity sets, which are collections of similar entities. Every entity set has an identification key, like an artificial employee number. We also look at relationships, like an employee being involved in a project. A key insight here is the association type. For instance, a department head relationship might be type 1 for the department, but type C for the employee. And advanced structures, like aggregation and normalization. We also covered how to organize complex data. Aggregation helps us, model structures, like a company network where company have multiple parents and children, or a hierarchy like an item list. But how do we ensure that the data stays clean? Through more normalization. We learn how to move from unnormalized tablets to first normal form, 1NF, by ensuring automatic values, then to second normal form, 2NF, by removing partial dependency, and finally to the third normal, 3NF, by eliminating transitive dependency to prevent data anomalies. So once the design is ready, we use mapping rules to R1 and R5 to turning ER diagram into actual relational tables. For example, complex, MCC, you know, relationship are mapped into their own separate tablets, like, with foreign keys. Finally, we test and graph model, which are vital for fields like, transfer system or computer networks. Unlike tables, these focus on vertical nodes and edges links, allowing us to solve complex problem like finding an irregular cycle. So this week also we saw that the data model isn't just about drawing boxes, it's also about determining the rules of engagement for information, whether it's ensuring every department has a leader or making sure an item doesn't have redundant data. Yep. For now, I'd like to end it. Thank you so much.